All right, good morning.
Oh.
So, we live in southern Indiana here, and we just got a bunch of ice, okay?
The grass is ice.
The grass is ice, the driveway is ice. It's all real bad.
I
So,
can't get up the hill.
we're gonna go to the shop today.
And if I can make it up the hill.
We're gonna work on the 77 Celica a little bit today. So,
Celica.
You gonna make it?
Maybe.
Okay, here, I'll go without you. Huh?
Wait.
How about that?
I gotta hold on to a rock.
Come on! I had to chip away at the door handle in order to get in there today, so great. As you can see, how much ice we got. Ridiculous! You coming?
Yep. Barely.
You got it. You got it. You got it. All right, here we go. Get in the truck. We've made it to the shop anyway. The roads are complete ice, which is fantastic. Brian found a lid. Flip it upside down, dingus. he found a lid to a toad in the shop there, and he's like, "Hey, you think I could ride this down the hill?" I said, "Well, try it. Why not? You know." So we're gonna give it a shot here. Hey, we got work to do, silly.
What?
We got work to do. Oh my goodness, you're gonna bust your head open. Huh?
What?
Come on, let's do this.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
coming.
waiting for you to fall.
Oh, God.
Today we're going to do a little bit of masking on our 77 Celica. We're getting ready to do some primering, and yeah, we need to get some stuff masked up so we don't get primer overspray all over our beautiful dash that we're still working on. There's going to be a part 2 coming up of that, so just wait. But yeah, so we're going to get to work on that, and Brian, I'm going to teach you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to let you go, and you can give her hell, see what happens, okay?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to teach you how to mask today.
Okay.
It's not too hard, but yeah. So your mom and daddy, we met in college, right? And we went to school for auto body, right? So what that means is that we learned how to do all of this stuff. So like all the body work and everything that we're doing here on the Celica, we learned how to do that in college. Okay, so yeah, so you're gonna learn how to mask up a car today. Got it? Don't be yawning, boy. It ain't break time yet.
I'm tired.
All right, so we're gonna teach you how to mask. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Right. Here's what we're doing. You see how I got this tape right here?
Yeah.
I put it on the back side. I was just barely on that metal, right? So what you do? Take a little piece of tape. Not really long. That'd probably be good. I wish I had fatter tape. I don't know where my fat tape is.
Shit.
But you take it, and you put it on there like that, okay? And you go all the way across, just like that, okay? And you push it on there real good. Got it? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So then, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take paper. There's an action paper over here. We're gonna take this paper, and we're gonna lay it over top of there. And it'll stick to it. So whenever I go to prime all this will be protected. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go down this, you need to go all the way down through here, all the way down to the bottom. Okay?
Okie dokie.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sweet. What in the world just happened there?
Wow.
What was right? What? Our gimbal. Our gimbal messed up here for a minute. What the? Oh my gosh! What?
What is happening?
What is happening? Why does this happen? Yeah, okay, gimbal. All right, calm down there, little guy, huh? Oh my Lanta, what has happened? Okay, there we go.
Stay there.
My. Go ahead, bud.
Watching. Mm.
Right, you can talk about what you're doing, too, okay?
Okay. Oh, stop. Oh, I'm falling.
Why is that you're doing that?
I don't know. Never had a problem like this.
I know, right? What's going on? Okay, now, here's the thing, bud. I'm going to critique you a little bit, okay?
What do you mean?
You don't have much hanging out here, okay? So we need to take it off, and you only want just a little bit. See how much I got on there?
Wow.
Just a little bit, right? So that's what you need to do. Is just go ahead and take that back off. Don't throw it away. You can reuse it. But take that back off, and then just let it on the metal just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Like that one.
That's perfect. Perfect. Push it on there real good.
Oh.
That's all right. There you go. Just make sure it's on there real good, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. You got it?
On. Gotta get the tape. Oh well.
All right, B. So you get this side taped up, right? We're
Yeah.
gonna start right here.
Yep.
We're gonna go all the way around, down to right here, so that we can put paper up against that for whenever we prime this whole side right here. So
Yeah.
we're also gonna kind of jump over and go against here as well.
Yeah.
I don't know why the window won't go down anymore, but don't force it because it won't. That's it. I don't know why. Not sure why it won't go down anymore. So.
Maybe there's something in the gear.
Maybe. But, so yeah, so then we're going to come all the way down here since this whole quarter is going to be primed. So, that's okay. Still put it up there. We got to take pictures of this little sticker here. There's a sticker right here, and there is a number plate right here, like the VIN number and everything else. So, we got to take that off. Or not off, we're not taking that off, we're taking the sticker off because there's a guy on Facebook, can't remember his name right now, who remakes old stickers like this. Same font, same size, the whole 9 yards, which is awesome. I'm super excited about that just because it will be factory looking because Toyota doesn't make stickers like these anymore. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. Right?
Yeah.
Sweet. So you're gonna come all the way across here, down to here,
And there.
down to there. Perfect.
I like to work on cars. And also wood. But we're not doing wood videos, are we? We're doing car videos.
Oh, look at you. Okay. All right. I like it.
Trying. I can reach the back of the steering wheel.
Oh, I see. Oh, heck yeah. Man, that's perfect. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome.
That's one side.
Yeah. All right, so he's got her going on here now, huh? Right? Awesome. Freaking awesome.
The old other side.
So I'm going to end up doing this just to kind of make this crossover right here. Well, you can't really see it. Hang on. There we go. I'm going to end up doing this through this crossover and everything, all the way down through there, and then coming down through this. So, yeah. All that needs masked up yet, and they're not going to sand on that yet before I really put any masking tape up through there, or else the dust is just going to stick to the tape. So,
I haven't really got to see what he's been doing over here.
what?
He's been cutting and stuff.
Oh, well, yeah.
I can't even tell a difference.
You would say that, huh? Oh my goodness. All right, so we got the other side to do now, and you're going to get on that, and we got to do the back yet. So we're going to go across the back right here. Well,
I'll do the back after I'm this side.
yeah, that's fine. We're going to prime that too. I got some Pour 15 I'm going to put on there, or Pour 45, whatever the hell it is. Anyway, I'm going to put that on there on this back side here. It's not too rusty. It's just got a couple spots that I'm going to take my needler and scale them out and put that paint over top of there. So, yeah. Right on, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's do the other side, okay?
Yeah.
Where's that?
It went down in there.
Oh, what?
Oh, there's a manual in there.
A manual?
I don't know if I can reach. Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got the tape. Okay. Where's the manual? Oh, I see what you're saying. I was like, what in the world? All right, so you're gonna do the back yet?
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean it should be ready. Like I said, I'll finish up the little masking parts here and there. Okay.
Okay.
Cool, man. Do it to it, buddy.
Alright. Hey, after this, can you go up to the house and eat?
Sure. You hungry?
Yeah.
That's
getting
weird.
a little.
What are you, human or something?
I'm a human. You're a human. We're humans. I'm human. You're human. You're human. You people that are watching, you're a human.
Maybe their dog's watching too, though. Maybe their parrot's watching. Maybe they have a parrot, and the parrot learns what we say. I know I say "so" a lot, so I hope y'all don't have a parrot, because that parrot would just say "so" a bunch. You know what I mean?
So.
so we got everything masked up. Not all the way, but you know, we got the majority of it masked up here. So we'll get the rest of it masked up, and we'll start shooting some primer here before long. So that's exciting. But Brian, you got anything you want to say?
Subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe. All right. So yeah, guys. So if you would keep watching this, keep up for more videos. Hit the little bell or whatever up there. And thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. So I guess we'll see you in the next video, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Thanks, guys. See ya.